Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your hair salon business. So as the owner of a hair salon, I receive a lot of queries from my customers on my WhatsApp number. So now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for our hair salon business to reply to these queries instantly. So we are going to use an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow, to build this chatbot. So to learn about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your hair salon to automatically handle customer queries, share service details, and book appointments. So it's a great way to save time and keep your clients happy. So as you all know that as a hair salon owner, I get a lot of messages daily, customers asking about services, prices, available slots, or booking appointments. So it becomes difficult to reply to everyone quickly, especially during busy hours. So that's why I built a WhatsApp chatbot for my salon. It helps answer common questions, share price lists, show available time slots, and even book appointments all automatically. This way I can save time, reduce missed bookings, and give customers quick responses anytime, even outside working hours. It makes my business look more professional and keep clients happy. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow, for my hair salon business. Alright, so now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp number. Alright, so for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so here let's suppose that I am a customer and I'm going to drop a text to my WhatsApp number such as "Hey." And here you can see we have received a message that says, "Hey there gorgeous, welcome to Glow Up Hair Studio, where your hair dreams come true. How can we help you today?" So here you can see we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as book a service, view price list, and contact us. So let's select book a service. And it says, let's get you that fresh look. Pick a service, haircut, hair spa, or hair color. So let's select hair spa. It says, great choice. Before we proceed, may I know your name? So let's give the name over here. And it says, thanks demo, now choose your preferred time slot. So here I'm going to select a random slot. And it says, awesome, your slot is booked demo. We'll see you soon at Glow Up Hair Studio. And we have received a quick reply button for back to menu. And as soon as I'm going to click it over here, you can see it has sent me the main message again. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing chatbot. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And then it will direct you to the Pabbly Chatflow's home page. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's home page, and here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free right now. And if you're an existing user, then you need to click on the sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account, I'm going to click on this access now. And now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. Alright, so now here before moving forward with building the WhatsApp chatbot, you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chatflow. So here let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chatflow is the tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boost conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow. And now here, if you want to learn about the setup of this Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video attached to our dashboard over here. And also if you want to learn about some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers in the left side bar in detail, then you can watch the dedicated videos for each feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now let me give a short brief for each feature over here. So here you can use inbox to see the WhatsApp chats for your Pabbly Chat Flow account. You can use contacts feature to save the contacts for your WhatsApp chat. Here you can use team queues feature to add team members in your Pabbly Chat Flow account and assign the chats to each of the member. And here you can use template feature to create new message templates for your WhatsApp chat. And also you can use broadcast feature to send the broadcast messages to all your WhatsApp chats. Also you can use flows to create the amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your businesses. And here you can see a setting feature where you can see some other features as well and a get help option. Alright, so now here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my hair salon, I'm going to use a feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows over here. So here you can see under flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to create a new flow by clicking on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is hair salon business. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So here in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I have received the option for keywords, regex and choose template to set up my trigger for the WhatsApp chatbot. So here if you wish to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot through a message template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or you can also select your trigger type as keywords and the regex. So here we will choose trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we are going to add the keywords as hey, hi, hello. So here I'm going to type the keyword first and then I'm going to press the enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so now here I'm going to add both other keywords that are hello and hi. And now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about your services, while another might write, I want to book an appointment. So in this case, instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Alright, so here the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. Alright, so here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now you have to setting the keyword as my trigger. I am going to move forward with this chatbot by adding a text box over here. And here in this text box, I am going to add a welcome or hello message for my customers, such as, hey there gorgeous, welcome to Glow Up Hair Studio where your hair dreams come true. How can we help you today? So this is the message, and here I'm going to add quick reply buttons for this message as well. So I'm going to add the text for this quick reply buttons as well. Alright, so here you can see I've added the text such as book a service, view price list and the contact us button. So now here we are further going to set up this entire WhatsApp chatbot for each of the quick reply button. So here let's suppose that my customer selects a book a service quick reply button, then automatically I want to send a text to my customer that says, let's get you that fresh look, pick a service. And then here I'm going to add the services in these quick replies button. Alright, so I'm going to add the text such as haircut, hair spa and hair color. Alright, so these are the services that we offer, and once my customer is going to select the service, I want to send them another message asking about their name. So for that I'm going to add this actions button over here such as ask a question. Alright, so here in this ask a question message box, I'm going to enter the message as great choice, before we proceed may I know your name. So here in this question box I'm going to ask about the customer name, and here for the contact custom field I'm going to select the field as full name. So here let me tell you that I've already created this contact custom field by using a feature by Pabbly over here, that is contact custom fields. So here if you want to learn about this contact custom fields in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature on our YouTube channel or the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here I've selected my contact custom field, and here for the format I'm going to select text, and here for the number of attempt I'm going to give the attempt as 1, and then here you can also add a validation error message. So here I don't want to add the validation error message, so I'm not going to add any message over here. And now after adding the question box for the name, I'm going to connect all the quick replies button for the service with this question message box. Alright, so now after asking about the name of my customer, I'm going to send another message to my customer as a personalized text. So for that, I'm going to add a text button over here, and here I'm going to add the text as thanks dollar full name. Now choose your preferred time slot. So here you might be thinking that what is this dollar full name? So basically this is the format to add the personalized name. That means the name received as a response for this question message box. So here you might be thinking that from where I got this particular format. So here to get this particular format, let me open this contact custom fields in a new tab. Alright, so I'm going to open this link in a new tab. And from here, I'm going to scroll it little down, and you can see all the contact custom fields that I've created over here in my Chartflow account. So let's suppose this is the field that I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy the field name over here, moving back to my flow, and here in the flow, once you're going to paste that particular value copied over here, then automatically it is going to give the name in this particular format. Alright, so with this, your name is going to get personalized for this message. And now after entering this message, I'm going to add quick replies button for the preferred time slot as well. So I'm going to enter the text as 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Alright, so now after giving the options for preferred time slot, I want whenever my customer is going to select any of these slot, then automatically they should receive a confirmation message as awesome, your slot is booked full name. That means the message has been personalized over here, and it says we will see you soon at Glow Up Hair Studio. Alright, so this is the thank you message, and I'm going to add a single quick reply button with this message that is for back to menu. Alright, so here we have created a single quick reply button that is for the back to menu. And now firstly I'm going to connect all the preferred time slot with this message box, and then I'm going to connect this back to menu quick reply button to the main message box over here. Alright, so with this we have completely set up the book a service quick reply button, and then let's move forward with the another quick reply button that is view price list. So if my customer is going to select view price list, then automatically I'm going to send a message to my customer with my services price list that says here's a quick look at our popular services that are haircut, hair spa, hair color, and with their basic price, and it says want to book a slot. Alright, so here I've added the price list, and then I'm going to add the quick reply buttons such as book a service or back. Alright, so again here you can see the quick reply button is same for the book a service. So I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the entire flow that we created for this book a service quick reply button. Alright, so I've connected this quick reply button, and then I'm going to connect this back quick reply button to the main message box. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Now let's move to another quick reply button, that is the last quick reply button for the contact us. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as the contact details of us too, and then I'm going to add two more quick replies buttons similar to these one that are book a service and move back. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the quick replies button over here, and again I'm going to connect this book a service quick reply button to this message boxes, and then I'm going to connect this back quick reply button to the main message box. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the setup of our entire WhatsApp chatbot for our hair salon business. Alright, so now after building a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully set up a flow for our WhatsApp chatbot in Pabbly Chartflow for our hair salon business. Alright, so now let's go back to our WhatsApp to see the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created. So this is my WhatsApp, and this is the WhatsApp chat. So I'm going to clear this chat to start it from the scratch, and then I'm going to drop a text over here as hey. And here you can see we have received the message as hey there gorgeous, welcome to Glow Up Hair Studio where your hair dreams come true. How can we help you today? And we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as book a service, view price list, and contact us. So here I'm going to select view price list first, and here we have received the price list. So let's select book a service, and then it says let's get you that fresh look. So I'm going to select a random service. And then it says great choice. Before we proceed, may I know your name? So I'm going to add the random name. And here you can see it says thanks dummy, now choose your preferred time slot. So I'm going to select a random time slot. And then it says awesome, your slot is booked dummy, we'll see you soon at Glow Up Hair Studio. So I'm going to click on this back to menu. And then here we are back to the main message. So let's select contact us. And here you can see all the contact us details with the quick reply button as book a service or back. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created. So now let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and from here I'm going to show you another amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, given over here in the left side bar. So here under inbox you can see the entire charts of your WhatsApp. And here you can see the entire chat between the WhatsApp chatbot and your customer. Alright, and also you can see the status of the message such as sent, delivered or read. And also you can see your customer detail in the right side panel given over here. Alright, so this was all about the inbox. Let's move back to our flows. And now here let me summarize about this chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected a trigger as keywords for this chatbot, and then we have set up a welcome message for this chatbot, and with this welcome message we have added 3 quick replies buttons such as book a service, view price list and contact us. And then we have set up the message boxes for each quick reply button such as let's pick a service, and then we have asked for the customer name, and then we have added a personalized message with asking about the preferred time slot, and then we have sent a confirmation message with a personalized message and a quick reply button for back to menu. Similar with the view price list button, we have added the price list of our services with the quick reply button as book a service and back, and then we have added the contact us message box with the contact details and the quick reply button as book a service and move back. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we created for our hair salon business. I hope this chatbot was clear to you. Now here, if you wish to learn some more amazing chatbots, then you have to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.